Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 division part 2nd. Yesterday we studied the properties of division, division by 10, 100. Then again I repeat what are the properties of division? Properties of division by 1. We divide by any number, the result is, the quotient is the number itself. Then next division by 0. 0 divided by any number, the result is 0. The number divided by itself, a number divided by itself, the result is 1. Next divide by 10. We divide by 10, we remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. You understand in previous class? Now we will study division by one digit without a remainder. Without a remainder. Listen. For example, 735 divided by 5. 735 divided by 5. First we divide this number. 735 divided by 5. Look here. Ones, tens, 100. The highest place is 100. We start with here 100 place. Which place we start with? 100 place. That is 7. Now you look the table of 5. How many times gone in 7? You say the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. We don't have 10. We only have 7. Therefore, 2 is not gone. The next lower number is 1. Then, the table of 5, how many times gone in 7? 5 की टेबल कितनी बार गए हुए इसमें? 1 times. 5 1 ja 5. Then, you subtract 5 take away from 7. Then you get 2. Then next number, these 3 come in downside. Only one time one number come in downside. Your 2 number come in downside, you put zeros. Then next question the example I given you. Yes, now 3 come in downside. Now our number is 23. Our number is 23. Again you say table of 5 again. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 is not here. Only 23. How many times gone? 4 times. Then 20. Then minus this. 3 0. Then which number come in downside? 5. Now our number is 35. Then the table of 5, you say how many times come? 7 times. Then 35. This answer quotient is 147. Remainder is 0. Without remainder. Without a remainder नहीं आएगा, 0 आता. Now one more question. Divide by 4. Listen. Again you divide this number 824 divide by 4. First look here. Table of 4, how many times come in 8? How many times come in 8? Say the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8. 2 times 8 0. Next, which number come in downside? 2 come in downside. Now look here. Table of 4, how many times go into? Our number is smaller, our divisor is bigger. How many times gone? 9. नहीं जा सकते. If this situation में we first put a 0 in the quotient and next number come in downside. One time one number come in downside. You clear it? Yes. Then this 2 is coming downside. The table of 4 is not gone into. 2 को downside में लेके 4 की 4 big है, 2 smaller है. ये नहीं जा सकते ना. क्या करने हैं? We put a 0 put in quotient. Quotient में एक 0 देकर ये 4 को भी साथ लेके आ सकते हैं. नहीं तो आप 0 नहीं देना. अब टेबल बोलो 0, टेबल ऑफ 0. 4 0 जा 0, 0 टाइम 4 0 जा 0. Then minus u, then 2 come here, then 0 here. Then this 4 come in downside. Now our number is 24. How many times gone? 6 times. Then 24. Then subtract this 0 0. This question we divide 824 divide by 4. Table of 4, how many times come in 8? How many times? 2 times 8. Then 2 come in downside. How many times gone? 0 times. This situation, the 4 is come also in downside. We put a 0. Okay. Now the table of 4, how many times come in 24? How many times? 6 times 24. Then 0 0. Which method is easy? This method you follow this method. This method you do mistake. This method you follow. First you the 4 0 ja 0. Then you minus this. Then now 4 come in downside. Then next division by 1 digit with the remainder. With the remainder. Division by 1 digit with the remainder. Then 825 divided by 3. Okay, first you divide 825 divided by 3. Again you ones, tens, 100. We start with the 100 place. Now the table of 3, how many times gone in 8? How many times gone? 2 times. Then 6. Now you subtract. 6 take away from 8. How many times come? 2 come then these 2 come in downside. Now our number is 22. Then the table of 3, how many times come in 22? How many times come? 7 times. Then 21. This number we change here. With the reminder we change. Then now you subtract this. 1 take away from 2. You get a 1. 2 take away from 2, 0. Now our number 6 come in downside. Then the table of 3, how many times come in 16? How many times? 5 times. Then 15. Then 5 take away from 6, 1. Then here 0. Our quotient is equal to, 275. Our remainder is equal to 1. Understand you? Then one more example. 528 divided by 5. Again you divide 528 divided by 5. Again 1 times 100. Which place you start with? 100 place. Then table of 5. How many times come in 5? 1 times. Then 5. Then 0. Now which number come in downside? 2 come in downside. Table of 5, how many times gone in 2? How many times? 0 times. Yes, you write 0, then subtract 2. Then which number come in downside? 8 come in downside. Okay. Then now our number is 28. The table of 5, how many times come in 28? How many times? 5 times 25. Then subtract this. Then quotient is equal to 105. Remainder is equal to 3. You understand? Division by 1 digit with the remainder. Understand? Yes. I gave some homework. Do question 1 A to F, question number 2 A to C of exercise 5.5. Okay? Thank you.